Hey guys. Okay, so I am about to show you guys what I am putting in Nova's like little cheer basket. And the cheer basket is really similar to the Boo Bucket or the Boo Basket. Um, but obviously it's like Christmas themed and Christmas stuff versus Halloween. So I think they're really fun to do because it kind of just helps to get kids like excited and like ready for the holiday. And I just think it's such a fun way to incorporate some like activities, some like festive holiday themed things. And the reason why I like to do it at the beginning of the month versus like on the day of or the week of even is because a lot of those things, like once the holiday passes, you don't really get much use out of it. So, for example, if you're going to give your kids Christmas pajamas, I would prefer that Nova gets them at the beginning of the month and then can wear them all month long. Um, Instead of getting them like only in her Christmas Eve um, little bag or getting them the week of Christmas or something like that. So, and not to say that like we don't wear Christmas pajamas after Christmas, we do totally, but I just, you don't want to, typically people don't want to wear Christmas pajamas all year long or all season long even, and that's totally fine. So if you do like that or you don't, like that's totally cool, but I just think that you get more use out of it in the beginning of the month. Plus, it's more exciting, it's more festive, and I just really love to bring the magic when it comes to the holidays. So that's just my preference, and that's kind of like my reasoning on it. So, anywho, I'm going to show you some of the things that I put in here. Most of it is like things to do for the month of December versus like gifts. So obviously she's going to get gifts for Christmas. So it's not really like about that. It's just about like the fun, like I said, festive things to get her excited and to get her, like really just in the Christmas spirit. So I'm going to hold it up so you can see like kind of what it looks like overall. And then I'll go over each thing with you and tell you kind of like where I got it. So, and these do not have to be expensive. Like you could probably honestly do an entire basket like this from like the Dollar Tree or between like maybe the Dollar Tree and then the Target dollar spot. Like you can really find some very inexpensive things to add to these baskets, or you could even do a bucket or a bag or whatever you want to do for very inexpensive. But like I said, just to make it super fun for kids, I mean, they really look forward and they really thrive, with that type of thing. So anyways, okay, so the first things I got are sprinkles. And some of these things I did show in my video, or maybe I didn't show these because Walmart I didn't find a whole lot. But anyways, I got these from Walmart, and they were just little variety packs of sprinkles. So they have more than one little kind of sprinkle in there. Sorry about the glare. And these are like, hello. These looked like Frozen to me. And then these are just your traditional like Christmas ones. So they're super cute. So obviously like we're going to do like a gingerbread kit, and that's the only other thing that I did not get yet, but I will get that before I put this out for Nova, is a little gingerbread kit. Or what I was thinking about doing is my sister showed me this little gingerbread house made out of Pop-Tarts, which was so cute. So I might do that. I might get like a box of Pop-Tarts and take like one pack out of there, get the cookie icing, get the sprinkles, the little candy and everything you want to add to your house, and then kind of put that maybe like in a little small like Christmas tin or box or something like on the side of this. So I think that would be really cute, and it's definitely like a tradition. You've got to make a gingerbread house around Christmas, so I think that'd be super fun. I love getting her these little like drink cups with the straws. They're just super cute, super festive. They just make it really fun. And these are something that you don't have to like throw out. You can keep it for next year. She still has the one that she got last year, this year. So last year's it was like a green, like a clear green little bulb like this with a pink straw. And it was really, really cute. And then I did put some jammies in there. So I got her the Burt's Bees little jammies. These are so cute. And I really liked these a lot. I thought these looked super festive and super fun for Christmas. And then I got the little cookie cutters, which I did show these in the Target little haul. And I got a bunch of them. I'm just going to put 3 in her little basket though. But I did get like 5 or 6. And then I am going to put this little build your own Olaf in there. I thought this was super cute, like a really cute little idea. And it's got like all the little things that you need in there to build Olaf. She is really into like Frozen lately, like Cinderella, Frozen, and Barbie. Like that is like her jam right now. Then I am going to put this little stamp in there, which would be really cute. I did get a couple other stamps that are like this, like one's a star with a gold ink pad, and then I think I got one more. I don't recall what it was, but I'm just gonna put the one in there, but she will have others for like crafts and playing around and whatever. And then oops, this other one I'm gonna put in here is this little wood, it's like an ornament basically for her to paint, and then it comes with the little paints and the brush for her to paint it. And then this little nativity puzzle, which is so cute. Right when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, that is so cute. I love it so much. So she's really gonna like this too, because she likes doing those like puzzles that are the bigger pieces, and that will be a good way to like tell her about the story of Jesus. And I really think it's important for kids to know the true meaning of Christmas. Yes, it's fun. Yes, it's exciting and all that. And we celebrate it for family and, you know, being together and all that. But I think it's very important to teach them about Jesus and the reason that we, you know, truly celebrate Christmas. And then this is so cute. I cannot wait to do this with her, because not only is it going to be a fun little craft, but it's going to be a great little keepsake. And I'm really excited. So as you can see on the front, you can do like the handprint or the snowflake, and then the snowflake little mold is on the back, so you can go ahead and do that if you want. We're gonna probably do the handprint, unless Nova like really wants to do the snowflake, then we can do that. Oh, and I didn't even realize it comes with little paints up here, so you can paint it just exactly like how it shows. Cute. That's really cute. And I think it has glitter too. Yeah, it does. Glitter and everything. Super cute, and like for $3 at the Target dollar spot. And then this just giant wood plain star. I got Nova a couple of these last year, like a Christmas tree and some other ones, and she really liked painting these, and she liked painting them so much that I went back last year to get more, and then they were completely sold out, of course, you know. So then I just had her paint the backside just to get like a little bit more use out of them, because she really liked doing that, and it was really cute. It's a simple, very, very inexpensive craft that they can do, and you can keep it if you want to. And then last but not least, that's in the baskets, this Look and Find holiday season book. Nova really likes these Look and Find books, and I just thought this one was really cute. This one's going to be a little bit tough though. I was looking through it, and it's going to be a little bit hard because it has questions like, how many rabbits are trying to catch snowflakes? So that is going to be really advanced, I think, for her. Not because she's not going to know, like not be able to find it, but because there's so many in here, and they're all like doing stuff, and it's very busy, you know what I mean? And so I think this will be a little bit like, ooh, but that's great because one, this is not something she's going to outgrow really fast, and two, most years what I do is I wrap books for one book for every night of December up until Christmas. So 1 through 24, I wrap the books, and then every night she picks a book and we read that Christmas story, Christmas book before bed. So this year I'm not going to be individually wrapping them myself because I found a Disney like advent calendar that is books, and they're already like wrapped. So I will show that when I show you guys what I got her for Christmas. Well, actually, hold on. I will grab it because it kind of goes perfect with this because it is something that she is going to get before Christmas. So hold 1 minute, please. Okay. So this is it right here. So cute. You can find these on Amazon. So as you can see, it is really big. It is really, really cute. And I was so excited to get this for her this year because it has all these, let me get closer so you can really see it. All those books in there. So as you can see, like this one is not all like Christmas themed ones. They do have ones that are like very Christmassy themed stories. I got another one of these for my niece and nephew. It's a different one, but it's the same, like same book, same Disney advent calendar book, but different. Like it's a red one. So same, but different. And those, I believe every book in there was like Beauty and the Beast, Christmas, Lion King, Christmas, you know? So super cute though. Like I really cannot wait to do this with her. It's going to be so fun. And bonus that I'm not going to wrap 24 books this year because wrapping books is so difficult because they're so thin and small that they are not easy to wrap. So this is what the inside looks like. So it's very cute. Like, so every day, you know, you can do the countdown to Christmas. So you can do like 24, 23, 22, like, you know, days left until Christmas, or you can do like December 1st, December 2nd, December 3rd, yada, yada. So super cute. If that's something that like your kids would like or something, I definitely like highly recommend getting these because how cute. And this also is something that you can do this year after year. Just because the books are unwrapped does not mean it's trash, you know? So this is something that we will definitely keep. And even if like next year I do end up doing like the wrapped books, we'll still do that too. Why not, you know? So, you know, that's it. Oh, okay. So really quickly, the last things that I have is I put some little like, I don't even know what you call this little jazz here, but this at the bottom, and then this basket. So both of these things, this little stuff inside and the basket I got from Dollar Tree, and super affordable because these baskets like this at Target are pretty expensive, like $5 and up as far, and like that's for like a smaller one, I believe. Like the basket is way smaller for $5, and they go up to like 7 and 10 for like this size. And I didn't want to spend that because I don't know what I'm going to need that basket for. And I just think that that's a lot of money for a basket. So definitely check. I was really pleasantly surprised that Dollar Tree had just plain white too. So definitely check them out for the basket part. And definitely even for the filler stuff too. Like I said, you know, you can always get like little fillers and fun little stuff for kids activity wise. And it's not stuff that's going to go to waste or like junk, you know? So hope this gave you guys another good idea for bringing the magic to your kids or your grandkids or whoever you want to, you know, make the holiday season extra special for. Kids love, love, love this kind of stuff. I know I loved this kind of stuff growing up, and it just makes it so fun. So like much to look forward to for kids. So I think like, do all the things, you know, they're only little once and you do not get this time back. So, all right, you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.